crypto Kaise Kharide or Kaise Beche. It's easier than you think, but it can feel intimidating at first. Most people don't get started because they feel it's super technical or risky. I'll break it down step by step. Step 1. Choose a trusted exchange platform. This is where you'll buy, sell, or store your crypto. Platforms like Binance, WazirX, or Coinbase are popular in India. Always check reviews. Trust me, your choice matters big time. You'll need to create an account on that exchange. This involves basic details like your email and password. Save your login credentials securely. People underestimate how many accounts get hacked due to weak passwords. Then comes KYC, Know Your Customer process. Upload your ID proof like Aadhaar or PAN, and maybe a selfie. Yes, it feels annoying, but it's necessary to comply with regulations, and honestly, it ensures your account is more secure. Once your account is verified, fund it by linking a bank account or UPI. Platforms typically guide you through this. Transfer money into your exchange wallet. A few hundred rupees are enough to get started, don't overthink it. Now it's time to buy. Open the trading section of the platform. You'll see options like Bitcoin, BTC, or Ethereum, ETH. Choose your preferred crypto and enter the amount you want to invest. Press buy. That's it. Selling is just as simple. When your crypto increases in value and you want to cash out, go to the sell section. Enter the amount of crypto you wish to sell, confirm the rate, and sell. The money goes straight to your wallet. Here's a pro tip. Never keep all your crypto on one platform. Transfer them to a private wallet if possible. Exchange wallets can be hacked, and private wallets give you more control. Think of it as digital insurance. Consider the fees involved in every transaction. Most platforms charge a small percentage for buying, selling, or transferring crypto. These add up, so be aware. Don't let hidden costs eat into your profits. Beware of scams. If someone offers you guaranteed returns, walk away. Crypto markets are volatile by nature. No one can predict them perfectly. Double-check links and emails to avoid phishing attempts. Diversify your investments. Instead of putting all your money into one coin, spread it across multiple. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot are solid choices. This reduces risk and increases chances of long-term gains. Finally, start small and learn as you go. Even Rs 500 can be a good starting point. Track the market daily, read about trends, and watch what experienced investors do. Crypto is a marathon, not a sprint.